Listen kids, what's that sound? Beep beep truck coming around. Rolling slowly down the street, picking up trash nice and neat. Early morning, here it comes. Rumble, rumble goes the drums. Big green truck so strong and bright, cleaning streets from left to right. Garbage truck, clap your hands. Garbage truck, cleaning up our town today. Lift the bin up in the air, dump the trash with lots of care. Crunch, crunch goes the truck so loud, happy kids are cheering proud. Look kids, what do we see? Two bright bins for you and me. Green bin takes the wet waste food, peels and leftovers, that is good. Blue bin takes the dry waste things. Paper and plastic, recycling brings. Garbage truck, clap your hands. Garbage truck, cleaning up our town today. Clean streets make the city shine, parks and playgrounds look so fine. Working hard both night and day, garbage truck saves the day. Clap your hands and sing along. Cleaning earth is never wrong.